Do I film this way?
Okay, hi guys.
Why were we here?
We're here to shop.
I need shelves for my room because my room is so fucking mess.
Oh, this is so cozy. Ikaw ka nang magagawin.
Ako yung nagsa-shop, ako pa yung mag-shop. It's a so... Hindi.
It's okay, you'll get there one day. Okay, drink.
Ay, ang bit-kit ng baby na yan.
Everywhere you go.
Gusto mo, scramble? Scramble? Oh my God. Grabe. Ani, paki-open yung aircon. No? Kala. Oh, hey! Diyan ka pala. Can you come in?
Oh yeah, come in. Well, welcome, enter. Wala, laruan lang.
Okay.
Of course. Laruan mo to, not my puso. Oh!
Tell us about your books.
My books?
Which one's your favorite?
You can never judge a book by its cover. This one is a herbivore.
Oh.
So, kung makikita mo,
Teka lang, ano script?
ladybugs.
Lion?
Actually, did you know ladybugs are actually only have two? We're whales.
Iwan niya na ako. Ayos na kayo.
Okay, sige. Okay.
Ano kayo schedule ko for today? Okay. I gotta go eat.
Ay, okay. Oh.
Outfit check. Ito cozy. Wow, super
Oh my gosh. My
Ito ang
aesthetic.
gusto ko.
My gosh. You know this, parang, I want space.
Wow. Teacher, ano pa po? Wala yan, teacher.
Did you know, pag natutulog yung mga otters, nag-ano sila, parang nagle-link arms para hindi sila mahiwalay. Oh, sana all.
Guys.
Yes.
Did you know when otters... What?
What the?
Oh my gosh, did you know what?
We're doing a vlog. Say hi.
Oh, hi.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
Bad idea.
Hindi mo ng seatbelt.
Okay, let's go. Safe and sound, don't worry.
For your phone.
Oh,
Kaya mo yan.
Be. Stupid ass.
Pwede ganyan, bakit?
Stupid. Did you catch that shit? I thought like, oh my god, she gets it.
I know.
Bless you, Jesus Christ.
Anong pangalan mo?
Sabar
lang ako.
Bili ka. Tapos ako, I'll find where it is. Tapos, I'll see. Kasi ikaw, sige na, go.
Ikaw na lang para pag nag-fail, ikaw na go. Ang ibig niyang sabihin, right?
Kasi yung-
Yes.
So cute.
Yun lang pala.
For sure, sa iisip, alam mo na sa utak mo, for sure, malaki yan. Ay, pag nalagay mo na yung laruan mo, konti, marami pang space, tapos bibili ka na naman. Dapat, amin mo yung sarili mo na maliit na yung shelf para di ka nabibili ng kung ano-ano mindset.
See, that's the problem right there. What is that? The topinator. See, the topinator hooked up to the motor. The motor ain't pushing enough pressure out for the gas pedal. The gas pedal got a lot of dirt in that oil.
Ganyan o. At tingnan mo, yan. Kasi tingnan mo, okay, so, di ba, ganyan yung, dito yung wall, di ba? Dito.
Tapos, yung curtain mo, saka yung yung wall. Okay. This is your room.
No, you're underestimating the space of my wall. Kasha siya.
Underestimating.
Mas mataas siya
Ano
when
pag
you
ganyan,
remember.
tapos yung mga games mo, ganyan lang. So, mga space mo, ganyan lang. Sabi mo, laruan.
Oh, gano'n ka. Sa tingin mo gano'n kalaki naroon ko?
Oo.
Malalaki!
Ano? Oo.
Diba?
Oo nga.
Yung mga figures pa lang, ang lalaki na.
Diba?
Hindi, kasha.
Hindi!
Pinakamaliit mo yung mga smiskies mo. Nasa bed
No!
down. Yung problema yung kotse natin.
Kaya nga.
Sabi mo, sakto na. Eh, di bilhin mo na. Tapos kain na tayo. Sakto or hindi?
It's 50.
Sakto or hindi?
Piling ko sakto.
Feeling mo?
Ganang totoong metros eh.
Aba, yan o.
Sakto siya.
Good. Balik mo na yan. Good job. All that work just for you to put it back.
Bubble.
Ina na ito.
Uy, ganda.
Ay, oops,
God
sorry.
damn, kahoy yan, B.
Saan?
Sarap. Oh my God, stop that. Hello.
Ay. Wait lang! Oh my God. Okay guys, tapos na tayo! Thank you for the vlog.
Bye.
And for the views and the likes.
Yes.